Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we're going to show you how to enable the message timer in a WhatsApp group. This feature allows you to set a timer for your messages to disappear after a certain time. It's great for keeping your chats clean and clutter-free. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more helpful tips like this. Step 1. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Now, tap on the group where you want to enable the message timer. Step 3. Next, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen to open the menu. Step 4. From the options that appear, select Group Info. Step 5. In the Group Info, tap on Disappearing Messages. Step 6. Finally, choose your preferred time interval for messages to disappear, whether it's 1 hour, 1 day, or any other option available. And that's it. Now your messages in the group will automatically disappear after the time you selected. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.